Ukraine fights for its freedom. The fate of Europe depends on strength of brave people who fight for their land, their families, and for their lives. Let us explain how you can help us to achieve victory, but more importantly, bring peace to our homes.
Мною принято решение о проведении
специальной военной операции.
Russia launched a full-scale war against Ukraine on February 24th. Now it's April. Russia counted on capturing Ukraine within 5 days. That was the deadline they established for obliterating our country and destroying our democracy. But they had no idea who they were up against. Russia didn't know how much we cherished our freedom. We have been defending ourselves against Russia much longer than the invaders planned. We have destroyed more Russian weapons and military equipment than some armies in Europe currently possess. But this is not enough. Russia still can attack, and not only against Ukraine. Poland, Moldova, Romania, and the Baltic states will become the next targets if the freedom of Ukraine falls. Ukraine needs weapon supplies. We need heavy artillery, armored vehicles, air defense systems, and combat aircrafts. Anything to repel Russian forces and stop their war crimes. Freedom must be armed better than tyranny. Western countries have everything to make it happen. The final victory over the tyranny and the number of people saved depends on them. Arm Ukraine now to defend freedom. Find your representative. Let them know how you feel they should vote.